Hi folks, this is a real quickie. First thing, it's the 11th hour. JB, aka Joe Biden, our fake president, had signed 46 executive orders which screwed up everything from food production to energy production, go across the board, screwed everything up. So if you go to the grocery store this week or next week, you're going to see a jump in food prices. A lot of jump. And this will continue from March, April, May, and June. You're going to see record jumps. And then you're going to see shortages of needed materials. Canning goods, seeds, plants. I looked at some bedding plants. They wanted $3.25 for a single scrawny plant. Okay, that kind of stinks, folks. On a lighter note, I'm going to try to keep this under 2 minutes. I'm sending this to Patriotic Homestead so she could save her family by making cheese products. Right here, see that? Patriotic Farms, aka Patriotic Homestead. Check out all these people right here. I have bad handwriting, sorry. Uncomm's a little tired because Uncomm's been busy all the time. We're sending our prayers to Winging It with Irish Colleen. Hope she gets better. We're sending a nice Easter card to Common Sense with Elizabeth. Also another nice Easter card to Common Sense Elizabeth. And I forgot whose birthday card I'm sending it out for March, so I'll figure that one out. So anyway, I'm trying to keep this short, and maybe not short, but that's the update for right now, and I'll catch you later, folks.